Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 2/7 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 2/7 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. In this case, we want to convert 2/7 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 2 by 7. The answer we get is 0.285714, which repeats indefinitely. Now, let's break down this process using long division. We start by writing 2 as the dividend and 7 as the divisor. Since 7 doesn't fit into 2, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 2, making it 20. How many times does 7 go into 20? Exactly 2 times. We write 2 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 2 by 7 gives us 14. When we subtract 14 from 20, we get a remainder of 6. Next, we add another 0 to the remainder, making it 60. How many times does 7 go into 60? Exactly 8 times. We add 8 to our quotient, giving us 0.28. Multiplying 8 by 7 gives us 56. When we subtract 56 from 60, we get a remainder of 4. We continue this process, adding zeros and dividing, which reveals the repeating pattern of 285,714 in the quotient. Therefore, the fraction 2/7 converted to a decimal is 0.285714, with the sequence 285,714 repeating indefinitely, illustrating the recurring nature of some decimal conversions from fractions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.